Are pests destroying your garden? In this video, I'll show you how to make a powerful fermented neem pesticide that's 100% organic, budget-friendly, and safe for your plants. Here are the ingredients you'll need to make this powerful organic pesticide. 1 kilogram of young, fresh neem leaves, 2 to 3 whole garlic bulbs, 8 to 10 chili peppers, fresh or dried, 2 tablespoons, about 30 milliliters of brown sugar or molasses to support fermentation, and 4 liters of clean water. Start by rinsing the neem leaves thoroughly to remove any dust or insects. Then let them air dry for a few hours before using. Peel the garlic bulbs to remove the skin before crushing or blending. Garlic is a natural insect repellent and has strong antimicrobial properties that help protect your plants from pests and diseases. Remove the stems from the chili peppers before chopping or blending them. Chili peppers contain natural compounds that repel many garden pests and help keep your plants healthy. Chop the neem leaves into small pieces to help release their natural oils and improve the fermentation process. Neem leaves are packed with natural compounds like azadirachtin, which act as a powerful insect repellent and disrupt pest growth. They also have antifungal and antibacterial properties that help protect your plants from various diseases, keeping your garden healthy and thriving. Use exactly 1 kilogram of young neem leaves for this recipe to ensure the right strength and effectiveness of your pesticide. Blend the peeled garlic and stemless chili peppers together until you get a smooth mixture. This helps release their natural compounds for maximum pest-repelling power. Now it's time to prepare an airlock-style container for fermenting the mixture. This allows gases to escape while keeping insects and contaminants out during the fermentation process. Make sure there's no air leaking into the container through the hole, and that the gases can safely escape through the pipe. This small bottle is used to hold water, allowing gases to escape through the pipe while preventing outside air from entering. Use a hot glue gun to seal the connection securely, making sure it's watertight and the bottle stays in place without slipping or dripping. Using an airlock container during fermentation offers several important benefits. It prevents contamination by keeping out dust, insects, and unwanted microbes, while allowing gases produced during fermentation to safely escape. This design maintains an oxygen-free environment, which helps beneficial microbes thrive and improves the overall quality of your pesticide. By reducing spoilage and harmful bacteria, an airlock container ensures a cleaner, more effective fermentation process. Now the airlock container is fully set up and ready to start the fermentation process. It's time to start adding the ingredients into the airlock container. Begin by adding 1 kilogram of neem leaves. Next, add the blended garlic and chili mixture into the container. Then, pour in 4 liters of clean water to the container. After that, add about 30 milliliters, or 2 tablespoons, of molasses or brown sugar to help with fermentation. Molasses provides natural sugars that feed beneficial microbes, boosting the fermentation process and enhancing the effectiveness of your pesticide. Now that all the ingredients are in the container, stir the mixture well to ensure everything is fully combined and ready for fermentation. Cover the airlock container tightly to prevent outside air from entering while allowing gases to escape during fermentation. Add water to the small bottle to create a seal that allows gases to escape while preventing outside air from entering. This helps maintain a clean fermentation environment and prevents contamination. Once the airlock container is sealed, the fermentation process begins. You'll see bubbles forming as gases escape through the water seal, showing that the natural fermentation is active and working. Be sure to stir the mixture once every day or every 2 days during fermentation to keep the process active and ensure even fermentation. Day 4. The fermentation is progressing well. You may notice more bubbles and a stronger smell, which means the beneficial microbes are active. Remember to stir the mixture once a day to keep the fermentation consistent. After stirring, tightly seal the container again to maintain the fermentation environment. Keep it in a shaded, steady place away from direct sunlight. Day 10. The fermentation is nearly complete. The bubbles may slow down and the smell will be stronger but still pleasant. Your pesticide is almost ready to use. If you notice a white layer forming on top of your fermenting mixture, don't worry. It's a natural part of the process caused by harmless yeast or beneficial microbes. Continue stirring the mixture daily to maintain even fermentation, then seal the container tightly again. Day 14. The fermentation process is now complete. You'll notice the bubbling has mostly stopped, and the rich, earthy aroma signals that your Neem pesticide is packed with natural power. Before using, give the mixture a good stir to mix everything evenly, then strain it and store it in a bottle for future use. Strain the fermented mixture through a fine cloth or mesh to remove all solid particles, leaving you with a clear, ready-to-use liquid. While straining the mixture through a clean cloth, squeeze it firmly to extract as much liquid as possible from the solid parts. This ensures you get the maximum amount of pesticide for use. You can also use the leftover solid parts by applying them around the base of your plants as a natural mulch and pest deterrent. Store the strained pesticide in a clean bottle, ready for future use. Keep the bottle sealed tightly and store it in a cool, shaded place to maintain its effectiveness. For best results, use the pesticide within 1 month. However, if stored properly, it can remain effective for up to 3 months. Benefits of Neem Pesticide. 1. Naturally repels many garden pests. 2. Safe for the environment and beneficial insects. 3. Non-toxic to humans and pets. 4. Controls fungal and bacterial plant diseases. 5. Helps prevent pest resistance. 6. Supports healthy soil microbes. 7. Affordable and easy to make at home. Always label your pesticide bottle with the date it was made. This helps you track its freshness and use it before it loses effectiveness. For best results, dilute the powerful Neem pesticide at a ratio of 1 to 100. That means just 10 milliliters of concentrate mixed with 1 liter of water, enough to cover plenty of plants and naturally keep pests away. Note, always use a 1 to 100 dilution ratio. Common pests that often attack garden plants include aphids, worms, and various other insects. Using Neem pesticide helps protect your plants from these troublesome visitors. Shake the Neem pesticide well before use. Dilute 40 milliliters of the pesticide with 4 liters of water. Then add 10 to 20 milliliters of dish soap to help the mixture stick to plant leaves. Remember, the best dilution ratio is 1 to 100. Shake well to ensure the solution is evenly mixed before spraying. To get rid of pests, spray both the upper and lower sides of the leaves every 3 days for 2 weeks until the pests are gone. For prevention, spray every 7 to 10 days to keep your plants healthy and pest-free. Avoid spraying during full sun or when bees are active. Always test on a few leaves first, especially with delicate plants. Keep the pesticide out of reach of children and pets. And that's how you make your own powerful, fermented Neem pesticide at home. Try it out and share your results in the comments. Thanks for watching. God bless you.